Guys, I've never seen fishes in my life like this. This is the first time to witness such a huge amount of fish with different colors. Wow. Hindi kasi naman kong mga niikom gini dok ha, but kat ni gini jigbon ki pek tig priyo ki ba ai ki shanab kin bam te kila sutral pan bam kila kemen kila ya ki anto ani kat ni ki dok ha jigbon. Wow. Yeah, hello guys. I think this is one of my favorite spots in this Aquarium Paradise. It really looked so good. I mean, to see the waterfall coming down from above and then having this pool with the small fishes there, you see, wow, this is so beautiful. You can see even the mermaid as well, and you can see how people are enjoying the view. It is so good. The children, the parents are taking pictures, and this stone on the front looks amazing. And you can see the big shell around there as well. I think this is one of the best spots of this place. I recommend everyone, if you ever have a chance to come to Bangalore, you can visit this place once at least. You will enjoy the view, you can enjoy the refreshing beauty of all the fishes and all this creation that they have done here. It's so good, man. This is the first time, but yeah, I don't think I'll visit again. I just want to see how it is. This is the first time in any aquarium in my life. But I would recommend everyone, if I have a friend who needs to come, yeah, definitely I'll come again. Yeah, it looks so good. I just enjoy so much. Yeah. Okay, I'll be leaving in some time, but I just want to show you again. You can see how refreshing it is. Man, because of the waterfall, you can even feel the breeze, the breeze coming from the waterfall. It's so refreshing. So good. Even though the leaves upstairs there, they are not real, but still, it looks amazing. I'm not sure whoever designed this. I have to find out more about this place. But whoever designed this whole place, he did a good job. I mean, it's amazing. I think it's a billion-dollar project. I mean, the amount of fish, the amount of creation, the amount of stones, the amount of leaves, everything to get the species of all these fish. I think it's not easy at all. So I really enjoy this place. Okay, I think I'll be leaving soon. So I believe you enjoy my vlog. Please like, share, subscribe, and barok ipolok soha. Recommend ladon vi one chamalor Bangalore. Ada ko ani jika soha khotinga. Ada wani dalam lem ya firkum ju. Okay, hadu min kedu biang sesien publish pun. Kalau bro sampai gini dok hang empat cu. Yo ki dok ha kat ne ke zim junga. This is so good. Wow. Okay, this guy is the person who feed the fish, so you can see. Kalau ni beliau dah buat air jing pam gidok ha. Tak kalau gidok ha dia buat you. But the view itu air tu jing pam, gidok ha gidok pam. Nak ketijong. Guys, I think this is the last spot for today. I just want to show you around. This is the tunnel. It's kind of a longest tunnel that I've ever been. I mean, I've never been to Aquarium tunnel like this before, so it looks so good, so beautiful. You can see the fishes, you can see the people around, and you can just enjoy looking at all these fish. how beautiful. I'm not sure how much they've spent to create this place. It is really amazing.
जीको तुमने मम्मा जाकर मेरे साथ की थी मछली लेके